Hi, I'm Katie Tilden from Two Sprouts Communications. I'm a recent graduate of Kate Toon's Recipe for SEO Success eCourse. It's a course I definitely recommend for anyone wanting to learn more about SEO, to increase their understanding and knowledge of SEO, then definitely consider Kate's course. A couple of the highlights for me were the learnings, the way that the structure was broken down into weekly topics, and under each of those weekly topics were a series of learnings and videos from Kate stepping you through the content, followed by a series of actions that you could do during that allocated week or you could do at a later stage. The coaching calls were a huge bonus for me. Being able to ask questions of Kate while I was undergoing the program, while I was going through the learnings, was fantastic. And to be able to have that interaction with other students of the course who were experiencing similar questions, similar issues, and asking the same sort of questions, or had asked questions that I hadn't even thought of. So it was great value. And the lifetime access is something that I think is fantastic. We all have busy lives and run businesses, so being able to dip back in to the content at a later stage when we have more time to delve more into a topic, or simply to confirm something at a later stage is really invaluable. So I really recommend Kate's course. I think it's a fabulous investment of time and money. So yeah, good luck.